Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review video. We are going to dive into an incredible tool called AutoPreneur AI. This software allows you to effortlessly generate engaging flipbooks with just a few clicks. It's powered by ChatGPT and OpenAI algorithms, making it easier than ever to create unique flipbooks that captivate your audience. Before moving to just benefits of AutoPreneur AI, if you are a serious or interested guy to in this product, then do check out the official website from the first link in the description box. If you purchased from the first link in the description box, I'm going to provide you free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and I'll send you the bonuses. That's it, and let's jump back to our topic. Easy to use interface and templates. First and foremost, Autopreneur AI offers a user-friendly interface that requires no coding or design skills. This means that even if you are a complete beginner, you can still create stunning flipbooks like a pro. The software provides pre-designed templates professionally crafted to catch your audience's attention. With customizable design and layout options, you can tailor each flipbook to match your branding and style. Generate leads and monetize your flipbooks. Entrepreneur AI takes your outdated content and repurposes it into exciting lead generating flipbooks. This means you can breathe new life into your exciting content and turn it into a powerful tool for capturing leads. The software also allows you to monetize your flipbooks in multiple ways, maximize your profits from integrated autoresponders to automatic mailers and pre-made sequences. You have all the tools you need to create a profitable lead generation system. Gone are the days of manually generating leads and following up with prospects. Autopreneur AI is equipped with a powerful automated lead generation system. It drives free, targeted traffic and converts them into sales automatically. With a simple one-click social sharing features, you can effortlessly expand your reach, gaining more traffic and potential leads. When you purchase Autopreneur AI, you gain access to Success Accelerator training. This training provides you with strategies on how to generate traffic and sales using Flipbooks effectively. Additionally, the software offers cutting edge features to make your Flipbook creation process even better. It is a cloud based software accessible from anywhere, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Furthermore, you have the option to create flipbooks in 7 unique ways, including utilizing ChatGPT and OpenAI algorithms. All in all, the ultimate flipbook creator and monetizer is a game changer for content creators and marketers alike. It offers a wide range of features such as easy flipbook creation, lead generation, and monetization options. By utilizing this tool, you can engage your audience, generate leads, and increase your profits. So, if you are looking to take your content marketing to the next level, I highly recommend giving the ultimate flipbook creator and monetizer a try. Don't miss out on the limited time offers and get started on your content monetization journey today.